Okay, so it is day 7 of the 12 days of December deep clean. I had my son film the first part of this, so the camera's kind of all over the place, but I'm doing the stairs today. And again, I feel like normal people or people without like small kids wouldn't really have to do this very often, but like as you can imagine, little sticky hands playing with the railings, using their hands to climb up the stairs too. You know how like we walk up the stairs and we hold the handrail and we walk up like standing up? They kind of like crawl up it with their hands, so their hands get all over the stairs and all over the walls. Like tomorrow I'm going to be wiping down all the walls in the house. Again, just one of those things where like normal people don't have to wash their walls, but I do. So yeah. Yeah, we're just doing the stairs and all the railings today. And again, so once I do this, then all the trim except the baseboards are done, and I will do the baseboards when I do the floors. I'm just using a damp cloth, getting any dust that's on them, and then if I see any like oily parts or stains or spills, I'm just scrubbing those as well. And yeah, now my railings are done and on to the next thing tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to get through all of this before everyone's over, but hey, we're committed. We're going to do all 12 days, even if it's not all before everyone gets over. Okay, bye.